Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make Swedish meatballs. I will show you what is the tradition of the Swedish meatballs. Here, let's go. We're gonna put onion. Hello guys, now I will hello guys, now I will show you hello guys, now I will show you how to make a Swedish meatballs. This is the old tradition. That's what I'm gonna show you now. See, watch this one. Look at this. This is onion and one egg. We're gonna do like that, and then we're gonna make put little bit salt, and of course we're gonna mix it. You need to have a fresh onion because this is more tasty if you have a fresh onion. Small roll. We do small because it's the small, that means it will be taste very good, because it's big, it's not taste that yummy. Okay guys, now we're gonna starting to cook my Swedish meatballs. First we're gonna starting this. So we're gonna mix this until the butter is gonna be ready. This is very easy. After 20 to 30 minutes, it is ready. So if you learn how to make the Swedish meatballs, just subscribe and watch my video so you can see it. Okay guys, now our meatballs is color brown. Now we're gonna put in these meatballs here. We're gonna put cream, best grade. We're gonna put in here. Wow. This is like a cornstarch, this one, to make a sauce. So we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna put mushroom sauce. So yeah, we need this one. Color brown, huh? Let's see. Cubes. Okay, cube. Oops. We're gonna mix it. This is our sauce. I'm gonna try. We're gonna wait until 5 minutes. This is good. A lot of sauce. I love this. I love that. A lot of sauce. We're gonna make our mashed potato. We'll see. I will show you how to do it. Butter. Some people put cream, some people put milk, but I want to put cream because cream is really good. Hello guys, now we are done for cooking for today, and thank you for watching my video. This is the Swedish köttbullar or Swedish meatballs. It's very easy to make this one. 20 to 30 minutes you are done. So if you want to learn how to make it, just subscribe me and check my video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. If you want to learn more for different food, I will teach you.